demolition explosive tool is another one of those things that's been around for a long time. I first ran into it a decade or so ago when going through a military breaching course. I've used it a lot since then. It's an extraordinarily useful tool. It allows you to crimp blasting caps, punch holes in C4, cut wires, or file down those pesky edges on nonsense that always seems to creep up. The components of this are needle nose pliers with the blasting cap crimper, wire crimper, a C4 punch, which you can also use with dynamite, the cross-point screwdriver, a large flat blade screwdriver, and more importantly, it's made in the USA. Like the regular MP600 tool, it's useful all across the board. It's one of those things that I absolutely can't live without.
Panteo.